Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Times Health Plus. I am Apurva, your yoga instructor. I come here every day. We will begin our practice today. We will go back on the mat. So I will try to stand. We will practice our chair pose, the yogic squat, the Utkatasana, and we'll try to do some pulses there. So एक बार मुझे देख लीजिए. You'll keep your feet together or hip distance. नीज बेंड करके हिप को नीचे ले जाना है, ऑलमोस्ट लाइक यूर सिटिंग ऑन अ चेयर. ओके, विजुअलाइज योर सेल्फ सिटिंग ऑन अ चेयर. हाथों को आप इजी करने के लिए यहाँ रख सकते हैं, और इफ यू वांट टू चैलेंज योर सेल्फ यू कैन ब्रिंग योर आर्म्स अप. फ्रॉम देयर यू विल जस्ट गिव मी 10 times pulses, 1 2 and so on. So you're basically just pulsing up and down. Okay, so आपका knees वहीं रहेगा. You're pulsing down and up with the hip, कीपिंग द बैक स्ट्रेट. स्पाइन को एकदम सीधा रखना है, सो कोशिश करें कि आपका बैक इस तरीके से राउंड ना हो. दिस विल हेल्प यू स्ट्रेंथन योर quadriceps, your front part of the leg, this part, which will help you to do your daily activities seamlessly without much effort. Okay, so if you're walking or you're hiking or you're jumping or you're running, you need a lot of quad strength. So this practice will help you enhance your daily activities. Okay, let's practice it. We'll do it for 3 sets, just simple 10 pulses. Everyone, feet together or hip distance. Ready. Slowly getting the hips down, arms up, knees bent. We pulse 10, 9, up and down, 8, 7, 6, 5, keep going, 4, 3, keep going, 2, 1, and everyone rest. We take a short break, relax. You feel some burning in your thighs, that's absolutely okay. That means your muscles are working, so congratulations. Ready for another set? Let's go. Knees bent, hips down, arms up. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and relax, rest, breathe. Good job everyone. We are left with one last set. Ready? Let's finish this. Let's do it together. This will burn a little, but remember, we are strong, not just physically, but mentally. Okay? Everyone, knees down, hips down. We practice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Good job. Shake the legs out. Shake the legs out. Take a short break and rest everyone. These were our Utkatasana pulses. So you went your Utkatasana, you were just pulsing up and down to help you strengthen your legs. Breathe as I show you the next thing. As you're resting, you can have a sip of water and you can just watch me to understand the next practice. We are practicing Ardha Uttanasana without a hold. So we're just going up and down, up and down. Feet को hip distance रखेंगे, हाथों को कमर पे रखेंगे. आपको कोशिश करनी है कि आप आपके hip से इस तरीके से fold करें. And not like this. So you're not trying to round your spine. Instead, you're trying to keep your back flat and you're trying to hinge from the hip. Now, if that means you have to bend your knees to do that, no problem. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप straight legs के साथ नहीं कर पाते हैं और आपका back round होता है, no problem. You will bend your knees and you will fix the spine and you will just go down and up very, very slowly. इसे हम 5 बार करेंगे, बहुत ही धीरे से, for 2 times. Okay, let's practice it together, you and me. Feet hip distance, back straight, hands on the waist. Advanced practitioners, आप यही same movement हाथों को ऊपर रख के कर सकते हैं. That's up to you. Let's go everyone, let's begin. Let's try to push the hip back, lead with the chin, reach, 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 make a 90-degree angle here, hold, and slowly come back up. Again, inhale, reach, push the hip, chest down, make a 90-degree angle here, hold, and up. Beautiful. Let's go. Again, 3, reach, 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 hold, and slowly up. And again, 4, reach, 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 and up. You feel that stretch happening in the hamstrings. Last time, let's reach, shoulders in line with the hips, flat back, hold, and slowly come up and relax. Rest, we will do this again. यहाँ पे हम हाथों को कमर पे रख रहे हैं. You're not placing it down on the floor so that you can activate and you can strengthen your muscles. So कोशिश करें कि आपके हाथ फ्लोर पे टच ना हो. Okay, this is not just a hold. This is us practicing up and down in our Ardha Uttanasana. Breathe and we will do it once more. This time people who feel you can go a little more deeper here, you can, as long as your back is flat and it's not rounding. Okay, let's practice it. Everyone, feet hip distance. We start with the second set. Hands on the waist. And let's go. Let's reach, hinge, 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 hold. And come back. Good job. And again, to push the hip back as much as you can. अगर आप नीचे नहीं जा पा रहे हैं, if you can only go till here, no problem. And back. 3. And back. As much as you can, okay? 4, we're almost done. And back. Last time, 5. And back. And everyone rest, relax, amazing. Good job. This practice is excellent for us to build strength in the back side of the body. Your lower back, your hips, आपका बैक साइड, आपका posterior chain को strengthen करने में बहुत ही help करेगा so that you can do your daily tasks and activities with ease with a pain-free body. As you rest everyone, let's watch, let's understand the next thing. This time you will just stay in front, you will face me, you will stand with your feet together or slightly apart, that's up to you. हाथों को कमर पे रखते हुए आपको simply आपके toes पर जाना है, heels up and heels down. इसे हम बहुत ही धीरे और आराम से करेंगे. अगर आपको ये मुश्किल लगता है, आप आसपास मौजूद किसी भी वॉल या चेयर को पकड़कर भी सेम मूवमेंट प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. Otherwise, try your best to just keep your stomach intact, keeping the whole body stacked. Try to go up and down. So try not to go forward or back. Try to go up and down. इसे हम 10 बार प्रैक्टिस करेंगे बहुत ही slowly, just one set. Okay, let's do it 10 times together very slowly. Hands on the waist, everyone. Feet slightly apart. A smile on your face. Keep the body relaxed. And let's go. We go 1 and slowly down. Try not to throw the feet down, very slowly. Okay. 2 and down. Good job. 3 and down. कोशिश करें everyone कि आपका weight इस तरीके से ankles के बाहर यहाँ ना place हो. Instead, you're really putting weight on the inside. Okay, let's practice it together. 4 and down. यानी कि आपका big toe नीचे floor पे placed हो. 5 and down. 6 and down. 7 and down. 8 and down. Almost there everyone. 9 and down with me. Last time. 10 and down and relax. Good job. Just shake the legs out. This is an excellent practice to strengthen your feet, to strengthen the lower leg. This will help you a lot in your balancing asanas. Okay, so if you feel आपका तड़ासना या वृक्षासना या गरुड़ासना में आपको बहुत ही मुश्किल होता है, practicing movements like these will help you. Relax. Last but not the least, make sure you follow us. Make sure you show up every day on your mat and with the same spirit, with the same energy. You always keep a smile on your face. I will now sign off. Thank you so much. Namaste.